Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. I'm actually having to wear a jacket because I'm kind of cold. I'm making this short video because I wanted to show you a little bit about the learning outcomes so that you can hopefully have more information to be better prepared for the next exam coming up at the end of next week, not this week but next week, over modules 4, 5, and 6. So what I've done is, if you go to content, I've gone and I've placed, so we're week 3, I've placed the learning outcomes above the study plan so that you can see that now. And if we click on it and open it up, then it actually will give you the detailed information that will help you be better prepared. I write my questions according to these learning outcomes. So for example, it says 4.1.1 says identify the general applications of light microscopes in biology. So upon reading section 4.1, you'll have a good idea of why we need to have microscopes and what kind of applications we have for light microscopes. And then also the disadvantages and advantages of electron microscopes compared to light microscopes. So that's just talking about the two different energy sources. So I wanted you to see this because this is, make sure that you understand these things, that you can do these things, that you can describe these things. You won't be asked them verbatim, but it is going to be how I write the questions. So I'll ask a question if you can determine, the structure and function of the nucleus and the nuclear membrane. So it will be a multiple choice question, but it'll still be based on that learning outcome. So I hope that's clear for that. So that's the module 4 learning outcomes. And if we just go to the module 5, you'll see that as well. Module 5, so module 4 has to do with cell structures and cell organelles, vesicles, the plasma membrane. And then module 5 is diving deeper into the plasma membrane, its function, its organization, what's in it, what it's composed of, and then how do you transport materials across it, because it's a pretty darn good barrier. So there again, if you can see the module 5 study plan, so that gets you into the reading material and the little self-assessments. And then right above it is going to be the learning outcomes. The learning outcomes are the more detailed learning outcomes, which have been pulled out of each section and just compiled into a little table. So, describe the structure of cell membranes. What are cell membranes composed of? Well, they're going to be composed of some specific things, such as phospholipids, really, really important to keeping things inside the cell and keeping things outside the cell. So I wanted to show you that because I've done that for each module, and you'll be able to see that first thing before you get to the study section. And that's the little tidbit for today, and I hope you have a great day.